Hey everyone, Happy Hippie here. Woo! There's one coming. Just have the girls out for a run. Hi. Peace everyone. Where's your sister? Shall we call her? Okay, let's see if she comes. Sorry about the yelling, people. Starkey! See how fast she gets here. Not too fast, eh? Pepper, you should call your sister. Eh? Call your sister. Say, come back. Go get your sister. Go get her. Hey, sweetie. Okay, I'm going to call her once more, you guys. Hang on. Stark! There, we'll see if she comes. She's waiting for her. Aren't you, sweetie? Are we going to have to get her ourselves? I'm not sure. That's the neighbor's dog barking. What's your sister doing? You can go get her. Go get her. Go get your sister. Come on. Go get her. Tell her to come back. There she is. Watch this. You'll see an attack of the sisters. This is how they play, by the way. Every day. These two have been together. Yeah, the one Pepper, the smaller, she has a back kick, but she does. These two girls have been together since the day they were born. Hey girls, come on. Come on, Starkey. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. We're going up now. Bye.